Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're back with the BMW 5 Series E60 project. And we're back in the interior and we're cleaning the leather seats today. So we're going to show you exactly how to clean your leather seats in any type of vehicle. So whether you have a BMW, an Audi, a Porsche, or even a Ford or a Chevy or a Toyota, this is going to work great on your leather seats. Now, everything we use in this video you can pick up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, this car has some amazing seats. These are a real leather BMW option. Now, regular BMWs, they might come with a regular leather seat, but this has an expensive option that are the sport luxury seats. Now, these are real leather. They have full adjustment, like a million different ways, but look, they have this little adjustment pillow up here at the top, which is almost like an airplane. This thing, when you're riding in it, it feels like you're sitting in an airplane. You could just fall asleep. It's amazing. But I want to go ahead and clean the seats on this BMW to make sure they stay looking good. So let's show you all the steps on how to clean leather seats. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is clean the leather. And for that, we're going to use our Masterson's leather cleaner. This is a pH balanced leather cleaner with no color, no scent. So that way it's going to clean the leather and it's not going to harm the color. You can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now with this, we're going to use our leather care brush. This is our leather horsehair brush. This is an amazing brush. We're gonna use this to scrub the leather. We're also gonna use our Masterson Superior boar's hair brush. This is an amazing brush. We'll use this on the cracks as well. And then I also have some microfiber towels here. These are our original yellow microfiber towels. Now, after we clean the surface, we're gonna use our Masterson's leather conditioner. This has real leather scent and it uses exotic oils that are gonna sink deep down in this leather and protect it as well. Now, you wanna protect your leather from cracking and fading. My last BMW had some cracks that really, over the years, developed into actual bigger cracks. So I wanna prevent this leather seat from cracking by protecting it and moisturizing it with our Masterson's leather conditioner. So to apply the Masterson's leather conditioner, I'm also gonna use one of our microfiber applicator pads. Now let's get started. Let's make this video quick. So, let's start right down here at the bottom. I'm going to take my Masterson's leather cleaner and I'm going to spray it on this brush right here. I'm also going to spray just a little bit on the seat. Now you can spray it on a microfiber towel. We're going to spray it right on the seat and I'm just going to start scrubbing. There we go. These seats I don't think have ever been cleaned. They look very dry, but I'm going to make sure that I scrub the leather and make it looking good. Now, BMW leather, it does look dry, but this car, it's actually been to several states. It was originally sold in Miami, then it was brought to Texas, and now it's in California. So let's clean it up. Now, like I said, these are a high-end luxury option for BMW. I'm gonna add a little bit more cleaner. There we go. For BMW, these are a sport luxury leather seats. I mean, these are almost something you'd find in the 7 Series. It's that nice. So I'm scrubbing the leather. That's what I'm doing. If you notice here, I'm scrubbing the leather. The Masterson's leather cleaner really does a great job of lightly foaming and scrubbing. Now, if I want to clean the leather areas a little bit more in this cracks, I can use our Superior boar's hair brush and get right in the cracks. And that's what I'm doing right here. These actually don't move on this seat for some reason. We'll find out why later, but I still want to clean them. So I'm using the brush to get in there. Now I'm going to take my microfiber towel. It's a Superior or a original yellow microfiber, and I'm just going to dry the seat. Now look how easy and how fast our Masterson's leather conditioner or cleaner cleans the seat before we condition it. And look at that matte look. You see that? That's amazing. That's all the dirt that's come off right there. Look at the matte look. So if you want to know how your seat looks when it's clean, when it has like no dirt, no grime on it, and it's completely ready to be conditioned, is when it has this matte, almost dry look. There we go. I think that's amazing. That's a really good look. It feels so clean. That's how our Masterson's leather cleaner works. It works so fast. I mean, this stuff is fast acting. That's why we make this right here in the USA. You can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Hopefully the camera guy will come over here and look at the difference. Here's the difference of this matte look. You see this? It looks very matte, no shine on it. All the body oil has been taken away. Come up here, look. This is where body oils from clothing, look how it has this shiny look. And it's not a conditioned shiny. It's a shiny that's like greasy shiny. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up. Now let me go ahead and just get in the cracks really quick here. And then we'll move up to the top up here. I want to make sure I clean this pillow. I noticed right here, this pillow is where your head rests, and there's a lot of like hair gel, hair oil, stuff like that. I want to clean that off. So now that the bottom is cleaned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a microfiber and I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to put it right here at the bottom. I'm going to show you why. This is going to make sense in a minute. I'm going to take my second microfiber, and this will be my new cleaner. And let's go ahead and start cleaning. So I'm going to spray up here at the top, and I'm going to start up here first. So I'm going to spray on here. There we go. And I'm going to take my brush. It's okay that it's dripping. Don't worry about it. I'm going to get this cleaning on up here at the top. This is real leather, and this is where, you know, a lot of people's heads were. I'm going to clean on the edge here. So I want to make sure this is all clean. Let's get it here at the top. A little bit of our cleaner goes a long way. You don't have to go really generous on the cleaner. Just a little bit goes a long way. There we go. I'll clean the back side a little bit later when I go in the back to do the back seats. There we go. Look how it's taken a lot of that hair product off. I mean, literally your head rests right here. And I know there was probably so much hair product. There we go. It's looking very good. I like that. Looks like there's some like hair product or something right here stuck on the leather. We'll try to see if the conditioner, it's maybe where someone's head was resting, a light wear spot. But don't worry, we'll clean it a little bit later. So there we go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the seat just a little bit. I'm gonna scrub as I go. And the reason I'm doing this is so I don't drip as much down the seat. And like how this has light foaming action, it's super easy to foam and clean. Spray at the bottom. You notice how this is a fast job. I mean, we got to do this whole car. I don't want to spend all day doing one seat. Okay. Here we go. Remember, always move things out of the way. Seatbelt in the way, move it out of the way. Clean up here a little bit. There we go. Now that it's clean, I'm going to take my microfiber. I'm going to clean the seat. There we go. Let's refold and dry the seat. You want to make sure you get all the cleaner off when you're cleaning leather. This is a workout. But get all of the cleaner off. Now, after I do the leather, I like to inspect. It looks like down here it's still a little greasy. I want to clean a little bit more. Probably where the back of pants were. So I'm going to spray it on there. Now you notice why I put that microfiber towel there. It's to really catch all this. I don't want too much cleaner sinking in that crack down there. Keep it out of the crack. There we go. And I'm going to take this towel. Watch this. This is super cool. Look at this trick. Voila. That's a nice one, huh? Detailing secrets from Greg Masterson, the ultimate detailer on YouTube. Remember, if you guys like this channel, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the detailing videos right here on our channel. And there we go. Check it out now. Look at that. That's completely dry. That's what I wanted to see. I want to see that dry look. BMW leather, when it's clean, it has this dry look. And this dry look is looking fly. Look at that dry look. There we go. Okay, that looks great. I'm gonna go grab some water. We're gonna come back and then we're gonna go ahead and show you how to condition the leather right when we come back in this video. We'll see you in a moment. Welcome back. So now we're back and the seats are super clean. Check out how clean these seats are. The seats are completely dry and have no body oil and no shine to them. That means they're ready to be conditioned and moisturized using our Masterson's leather conditioner. Now our BMW seats need protection so they don't crack over time. You want to make sure that your leather is always moisturized and conditioned. That way it feels soft, it won't crack, and it's protected against UV solar rays. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use our Masterson's leather conditioner. Now this formula is designed using all natural exotic oils and conditioners that are going to sink down into the leather and make them feel super soft. Plus, this uses an OEM leather scent. So this is gonna make the BMW smell like fresh leather. Now to apply this today, we're gonna use an applicator pad. Super easy to apply. Let's show you guys how. Let's shake it up. I've already cleaned these seats, so all we gotta do is spread this on the seat and it's gonna condition it. I like to go ahead and put just a few lines just like that. spread it out. There we go. And what I like to do is spread it out on the seat a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my applicator pad to work it in. Now we can add more as we go. What you want to do is you want to just push it in and cover all of the seat. Now our formula is deep sinking, so you put a little bit on and you rub it into the seat. Make sure the whole seat is covered. I'm going to go to this edges over here because even on the sides over here, it's real leather, and I want to make sure everything is conditioned, especially here on the front. And make sure if you can pull back the little cracks. Pull them back a little bit and get it spread on there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna spread this out on the seat so it sinks in, and then we're gonna remove any excess using a microfiber towel. Okay, there we go. Now let's start working on the back side. I love how our leather conditioner just spreads out. It's amazing. This uses a natural OEM leather scent. It's the same scent they infuse into leathers to make cars smell like it has a stronger scent of leather when you buy them. Mercedes-Benz uses it, Volkswagen, Porsche uses it, BMW uses it. So we take that scent and we infuse it into our product so it has that amazing leather scent. Now, if you notice, this is making the seat look darker, and that's what you want. This is actually gonna give it a dark tone. It's not going to have a greasy look. It's gonna have a dark, original tone. There we go, let's spread it out. Now over here, even on the sides, there's some leather, so I'm just getting it over here as well. And I'm gonna get the back of this seat when we clean the back seats. But I wanna make sure I get all of the leather conditioned on this seat. And I saved the headrest for last, so let's go to a little more product. And let's go ahead and do the headrest. You can even see the difference. Look at the difference it is on this top part right here. You see how it's sinking into the leather, and even while it's on there, it feels more moisturized. Look at how this leather feels soft. It sinks in. This leather feels tight, like it's old. It's like not new. It feels like if it pressed hard, I'd crack it. This leather, this feels so soft. Like I push my finger into it, it's like, yeah, I love it. That's amazing. So that I'm already excited about because I know that this seat is gonna stay looking good for another 100,000 miles. This car has 100,000 miles on it. It's crazy how long cars last. So let's keep these seats looking good and lasting as well. Now I'm going to make sure I pick up the little pillow top, and I'm gonna make sure I condition that all over. I love these little pillow tops. It's like you're on an airplane, you know? That's amazing. Let's go drive cross country with these super luxury seats, okay? Okay, so now we got that on. I'm gonna take a microfiber towel. So I have a brand new one here, my third one. Here we go, let's take this microfiber towel. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna buff off any excess of the Masterson's leather conditioner. And we already had the product sink in to the leather. There we go, that's so nice. That is so nice. Look, and when you wipe off the excess, it gives it this clean and conditioned look. That's why I love this product. This product's #1 winner, one of our best sellers. Pick it up today on our website, mastersonswax.com. And this is amazing. I love using this product because the seats always just look so good. They have that nice dark black sheen, but they don't look too dry. Let's go ahead and buff this out. But we're just rubbing off the excess. It's like lotion. You're putting lotion into the skin. You do this once a year to your car, any type of car, and also like a motorcycle as well. This also works on like Harley Davidson seats, motorcycle seats. If you clean and condition your leather once a year, your car will stay looking good. I guarantee it. I mean, this is a BMW. This is a driver's car. This is the ultimate driving machine, right? I mean, Mercedes-Benz, those are one thing, but man, come on, BMW. If anybody's ever seen the movie, The Transporter, guy chose a BMW. It wasn't a Mercedes, it wasn't an Audi, it was a BMW. That's because, you know, you want that ultra luxury feel. And this one, the coolest thing about that is shown that. That's the coolest thing about this is the 6-speed right here. The 6-speed. If this car has a 6-speed, that's the most amazing thing. There we go, look at that leather. I think it looks just right. Well, there we go, guys. Now we finished cleaning the leather on this BMW E60 project car. Now check out this leather. This leather is soft and black looking. This really does look amazing, and it's completely clean. Before it had a greasy look to it, now it has a dark black look, and the leather feels softer. Before, this seat did not feel soft like this. It felt a little hard. Now the leather feels soft and supple, especially up here at the top with this like head pillow. This is amazing. This is some super luxury stuff. This thing feels so soft now. It's amazing. And the way we did it was we cleaned it with our Masterson's leather cleaner, the best leather cleaner in the world. You can use to clean any leather, all colors, black, tan, gray, white, red, all color leathers. And then we used the Masterson's leather conditioner to condition and moisturize the leather. Now this tag team combo you can pick up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now the leather on this BMW is amazing. Remember, these are a super high option luxury sports seat for BMW E65 series. So I'm glad we can clean and condition these leather seats, keep them looking good for another 100,000 miles. Now once again, if you want to pick up our leather cleaner and our leather conditioner, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. And remember, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean the passenger seat and the back seat. We got a lot of leather to clean, but go ahead and check out more of our E60 project car videos right here on our YouTube channel, Masterson's Car Care YouTube, where you can find the best detailing videos right here today, online, all free, 100%. Now, once again, if you want to pick up these products, our Masterson's leather cleaner and our leather conditioner, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, we'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.